Hello and welcome to the FIMCO Workbench. Today, we'll show you how to replace a worn or faulty check valve on a FIMCO 4.5, 2.4, or 2.1 gallons per minute pump. This procedure does not apply to the 1.0 or 1.2 GPM pumps. If that's the pump you're working with, be sure to check out the separate video on our YouTube channel that covers that process. To begin, remove the pump head housing from the motor assembly by taking out the 7 Phillips head screws around the housing. There are 2 different screw lengths, so we recommend keeping track of where each one came from to make reassembly easier. The check valve is responsible for building pressure and moving fluid through the system. If you're experiencing low pressure or inconsistent flow, a worn check valve is often the cause. Because spraying chemicals can wear on internal components over time, we recommend replacing the check valve every 2 to 3 years as part of regular maintenance. Once the housing is removed, you'll see the check valve. On 2.1 and 2.4 GPM pumps, it will have 3 valves. On 4.5 GPM pumps, it will have 4 valves. The cream or yellow-colored component behind it is the diaphragm. This should not be removed during this process. Replacement check valves are available through most FIMCO retail partners or directly from our website. Links are included in the video description below. When installing the new check valve, make sure it is fully seated into the diaphragm with the convex side facing outward toward the open end of the pump housing. Be sure that the O-ring is seated in place on the check valve before reassembling. If any hose clips or screws come loose during disassembly, simply place them back into their original positions. Next, reinstall the pump head housing over the check valve and diaphragm, align the screw holes, and tighten the screws securely. If you're unsure which screw goes where, note that there are 2 different screw lengths. Check the depth of the threaded channel. Deeper channels require the longer screws. And that's it. Once the pump head housing is secured, your check valve replacement is complete. Thanks for stopping by the FIMCO Workbench, and as always, happy spraying!